Replacing the micro switch inside a Shurflo Pro Blaster 2 pump. There's the pump. There's the front of it. The wires are coming out of the pressure switch. Those 3 screws need to be replaced. The third one is a long one. You take them out. And then remove the pressure switch from the front of the pump. That's easy. There it is. That white diaphragm on the pump, when it has pressure in it, pushes out and pushes on that black button. And when it pushes it in, the pump does not run. That's your high pressure shutoff. So you take the cover off. There's the little button that actuates the switch. And you got a spring and another little thing in there. There's all the parts. Then the micro switch slides right out with a little rubber piece that's attached to it. Oh, and there's a nice blob of solder I found rolling around in there. As you can see, that comes off. It's a slide-on piece. That is soldered to the lug on the micro switch. And man, did they do a crappy soldering job. And when you put it back in, you line up the grooves on the rubber with the little thing on the plastic piece. Slides right in like that. No problem. Next, that little button goes in, and make sure it's in the right way. Button side up. Spring. Line that little gasket on there. Then put the button on and make sure the part that pushes the micro switch down is in the right position. Put the top on. And that's all there is to it, pretty much. Sorry about the barking. To put a screw in there to keep it lined up and hold it together. And you got it all lined up like that. It's ready to go back on the pump. Remember to put the long screw in that position right there. Screw it on. Don't torque them too tight with the electric screwdriver. Once they're in there, do the final tightening with a screwdriver. Snug them up real good. That's pretty much all there is to it. Now apply power to the pump and it should run, which it does.